All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
This guy keyed Tyler's Tesla, but Tyler tracked him down, got him arrested, and he had to spend a night in jail. Let's start from the beginning and find out what happened. Tyler was playing a round of golf one afternoon in Tucker, Georgia. After he was done, he returned to his car only to find that someone had applied some unwanted artwork to his Tesla Model 3 while he'd been away. He discovered this video, which caught the vandal in action, and Tyler told us he's never seen or spoken to this guy before. Tyler took the video back to the golf course, and they instantly recognized the man as a member of the club. They guessed he might have had a bad round and meant to key his buddy's nearly identical Tesla parked next to Tyler's. The only difference between them is that Tyler has the 19-inch sport wheels, while the other Tesla has the 18-inch aero wheels. The golf course gave Tyler the suspect's information, including his name, address, email address, and birth date. Tyler took this information to the police, who then issued a warrant for his arrest. Because the overall cost of the damage exceeded $3,500 US, once the police executed the warrant, the suspect had to spend a night in jail. Tyler's insurance provider went after the vandal's insurance provider, but at first he denied that he was involved. When they presented the video evidence, he admitted that he'd committed the act, and his insurance provider terminated his policy and dropped him as a customer. This time, justice was served.